For today's topic, we will discuss about algebraic substitution. Algebraic substitution is a technique used to remove unwanted complicated expressions. For example, radical expressions. We use this so we can express your integrand much simpler. So, kung mas simple ang integrand natin, mas madali yan i-solve. And these are the steps that you have to follow in doing algebraic substitution. Step 1, determine which expression will be substituted with u. Step 2, express the integral in terms of u. Step 3, evaluate the simpler integral. And lastly, express the answer in terms of x. So, I will give examples para mas maintindihan pa ninyo. So, for your first example, we have x cubed dx over square root of 25 minus x squared. So, first step, determine natin ano yung gagamitin natin na value ng u. So, in this case, gamitin natin yung mas komplikado, which is square root of 25 minus x squared. So, in here, u is equal to square root of 25 minus x squared. Next step, we have to eliminate the radical sign. So, since ito ay square root, if you square both sides, mawawala yon. So, squaring both sides, you will have a value of u squared is equal to 25 minus x squared. Next, in algebraic substitution, it is very important for you to identify the value of u and du. Kasi ayun yung ipang-substitute natin doon sa original integrand natin. So, for you to be able to identify the value of du, itong pangalawa na nakuha natin, which is the squared term, i-differentiate lang natin both sides. So, yun nasa left-hand side in terms of u, yun nasa right-hand side in terms of x. So, dito, the integral, the differential or the derivative of u squared will be 2u du. So, right-hand side naman natin, if we differentiate, this will be negative 2x dx. Next, kailangan makuha natin yung u du lang and x dx. So, what you're going to do is to divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2 ang gagamitin natin kasi dito, kapag pinactor natin si x cube, pwede kang magkaroon ng x dx. So, cancelled out, negative, negative. Ito magiging negative u tu is equal to x dx. Then, lastly, kapag in-extract natin to, magkakaroon pa tayo ng isang value. So, try muna natin siya i-extract para makita ninyo. So, in here, we can rewrite this as x squared multiplied by x dx. In-extract ko para mamaya si x dx, papalitan natin ng negative u du. All over the square root of 25 minus x squared. So, itong square root of 25 minus x squared, pwede nating palitan ng u. Yung x dx, pwede nating palitan ng negative u du. The question is, how about x squared? Kasi kailangan nating magawang u lahat ng terms natin, lahat ng variables natin. So, para makuha yung sa x squared, balikan natin to. So, kung mapapansin niyo, meron tayong term na negative x squared. Solve lang natin to in terms of x. So, dito, so this will be x squared. Kapag tinranspose mo doon, magiging positive. Si u squared transpose mo naman sa right-hand side, this will be negative u squared plus 25. So, itong x squared natin, ito na yung ipampapalit natin. Meron na siyang u sa dito. Isa-summarize ko lang ng mas maayos para pagka nag-substitute tayo, hindi kayo malilito. So, ayan. Pwede nyo naman na i-replay yung video kapag meron kayong steps na na-miss or nakalimutan. So, lahat ng value na to, ipapalit natin dito. So, first, this will be equal to the integral of, yung x squared, papalitan natin ng negative u squared plus 25. Ito siya, naging ito. Si x dx, papalitan natin ng negative u du. All over, si square root of 25 minus x squared, papalitan natin ng u. Kung mapapansin niyo, mas simple na siya compare dito. Next step, pwede nating i-cancel out yung u. So, this will be canceled out. May negative pa tayo dito, so pwedeng ilabas na lang natin dito. So, we can rewrite this as negative integral of quantity negative u squared plus 25 quantity du. So, ito, mas madali na siya na i-integrate. I-integrate na lang natin to by term. So, this will be, we can say that this will be negative integral of negative u squared du minus integral of 25 du. Magbubura lang ako ulit para maitaas lang natin to doon. So, ayan. So, integrate na natin to. This will be equal to negative quantity. So, integral of negative u squared. This will be negative u cubed over 3. Minus the integral of 25 du, that is 25u plus c. Ito, i-multiply natin. So, this will be positive. So, this will be u cubed over 3 minus 25u plus c. So, yan. So, next, ibabalik natin yung original value ng u natin, which is, sabi natin kanina, u is equal to square root of 25 minus x squared. Pwede rin naman natin itong i-express as 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2 para dito sa part na to. So, this will be equal to quantity 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2. Naka-quantity cube pa to. Minus, by the way, all over 3. Minus 25 multiplied by 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2 plus c. Simplify pa natin to. Itong part na to, imumultiply lang natin. So, this will be equal to quantity 25 minus x squared raised to 3/2 over 3 minus 25 multiplied by 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2 plus c. Itong sagot na to, accepted na to. Pero, pwede pa kasi natin to na i-simplify pa. So, buburahin ko ulit. Then, sisimplify natin tong part na to. So, ayan. Isi-simplify na natin. So, first is to simplify this part. So, syempre, medyo messy siya tignan kapag nakaganito pa, naka-fraction pa. So, we can simply factor out 1/3 on your whole given. So, this will be 1/3. Then, kung mapapansin ninyo, same basis naman to, magkaiba lang na exponent. So, pwede nyong i-factor out yan. Ang pipiliin nyo na lang yung may mas mababang exponent, which is quantity 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2 multiplied by kung ano yung natira. So, ito, nag-factor out tayo ng 1/3. Nag-factor out tayo ng 25 minus x squared raised to 1/2. So, dito, magma-minus na lang kayo doon sa exponent ng 1/2 since pinactor out nga natin. So, this will be quantity 25 minus x squared. Then, 3 halves minus 1 half, that is 2 over 2, or simply 1 na lang. Minus, so, nag-factor out na tayo ng quantity 25 minus x squared raised to 1 half dito. So, no need to write here. Ito, meron pa tayong 25. Since we factored out 1/3 on your whole equation or expression, si 25, you have to divide it by 1/3. Kasi nga, nag-factor out tayo ng 1/3. So, this will be minus 75 plus C. Gawin na natin tong radical. Then, ito, simplify natin. So, this will be 1/3 square root of, since raised to 1 half yan, that is square root of 25 minus x squared. Quantity, 25 minus 75 is negative 50 minus x squared plus c. So, the integral of x cubed dx over the square root of 25 minus x squared is equal to 1/3 square root of 25 minus x squared. Quantity negative 50 minus x squared plus c. Let's have another example para mas maintindihan nyo pa. Okay, for your next example, we have the integral of dx. May cord. Okay lang yan. Integral of dx square root of x plus 3. So, dito, identify natin yung value ng u. The value of u is equal to square root of x. Then, square natin both sides. U squared is equal to x. Next step, you have to differentiate both sides. For the left-hand side, in terms of u. For the right-hand side, in terms of x. So, this will be 2u du is equal to dx. Ito yung ipapapalit mo sa part na to. So, isubstitute na natin. So, this will be equal to integral of 2u du over si square root of x, magiging yun na lang, plus 3. Itong constant na 2, pwedeng ilabas na lang natin. So, this will be equal to positive 2 integral of u over u plus 3 du. Binaba ko na lang yung du dito kasi i-extract natin itong part na to. Pag-ihiwalayin natin siya ng fraction. So, kung i-extract natin to, we can rewrite this as 2 integral of u. Since may plus 3 tayo dun sa denominator, maglagay tayo ng plus 3 dito, minus 3. Kapag kasi simplify mo to, babalik ka lang din naman doon sa u. Over u plus 3 du. So, ang gagawin natin sa next step, ito, nakagroup to. Minus 3. So, ang gagawin, extract lang natin ulit. This will be 2 integral of u plus 3, since nakagroup nga siya, over u plus 3. Since negative to, so negative 3 over u plus 3. Quantity du. Bakit ko to ginawa? Kailangan natin siyang i-extract. Tsaka pag sinimplify mo naman to, babalik ka lang naman dito. In-extract lang natin ulit. Next, simplify natin yung nasa loob. So, this will be equal to 2 integral of u plus 3 over u plus 3. That will be 1 minus 3 over u plus 3 quantity du. So, magbubura lang ako ulit, itataas lang natin to doon. So, yan. Next naman is, i-express muna natin yung integral term by term. So, ito, you can rewrite this as 2 integral of 1 times du. So, integral of du. Minus, since itong 3 ay constant, pwede naman natin siyang ilabas. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. Integral of 1 over u plus 3 du. So, etong part na to, pwede na nating integrate. So, this will be equal to 2, then the integral of du is u, minus 6. Then, etong part na to, kung naaalala ninyo, the integral of du over u equal yun sa ln u or ln of u. So, paano malalaman kung applicable to? So, if this is your u, kapag in-integrate mo to, dapat ito yon. So, ano ba ang integral ni u plus 3? That is 1. So, meaning to say, applicable to. So, this will be 6 ln. Then, kung ano yung value ng u mo, u plus 3. Habaan natin para hindi kayo malito. Plus c. So, huwag kakalimutan yung plus c doon sa dulo. Then, final step, lahat ng u, gagawin natin na kung ano ba talaga yung value niya, ibabalik natin lahat yon. So, kung babalikan ninyo, the value of u is square root of x. So, the final answer will be 2 square root of x minus 6 ln square root of x plus 3 plus c. So, this will be your final answer for example number 2. Okay, for your last example, let's have the integral of 8x plus 1 dx over square root of 4x minus 3. So, dito, ang u natin is equal to square root of 4x minus 3. So, square lang natin to ulit since naka-radical yan. So, this will be u squared is equal to 4x minus 3. Next, i-differentiate lang natin both sides. So, this will be 2u du is equal to 4 dx. Then, let's get the value of dx in terms of u. Divide both sides by 4. So, in here, dx is equal to 1/2 u du. Ito yung ipangpapalit natin dito. Next, kailangan makuha natin yung value ng x. So, for x, the value of x will be, so ito diba? So, magiging 4x is equal to, transpose lang natin si 3 doon, u squared plus 3. Then, divide both sides by 4. So, meaning to say, the value of x will be u squared plus 3 over 4. So, ang gagawin natin, i-extract na natin yung original. So, we can rewrite this as, so, ito, magiging 8. Then, yung x, palitan natin ng u squared plus 3 over 4. Teka lang, ayusin natin to. May plus 1 pa doon. So, plus 1. Habaan natin yung integral sign. Yan. Then, yung dx natin, papalitan natin ng 1/2 u du. So, ginagawa lang naman natin dito na mag-extract pa lang naman tayo. Then, nililet yun na natin lahat. All over, sabi natin, itong part na to magiging yun na lang. Then, simplify na natin. 8 over 4, so 4 na lang to. U over u. So, in here, this will be equal to integral of 4 multiplied by u squared plus 3 plus 1 multiplied by 1/2 du. Si 1/2, pwede natin siyang ilabas. Oh, rather, kasi 8 over 4 siya. So, this is not 4. Correction lang. This will be 2. 2 lang to. So, pwede nating ilabas yung 1/2. So, this will be equal to 1/2 integral of, etong 2, distribute na natin. So, 2u squared plus 6 plus 1 quantity du. So, next, simplify pa natin. This will be equal to 1/2 integral of quantity 2u squared plus 7 quantity du. Magbubura ako ulit, tataas ko lang to doon. Replay na lang kapag meron kayong steps na na-miss. So, yan. Integrate na lang natin term by term. So, this will be 1/2 integral of 2u squared du plus 1/2 integral of, diba may nakalabas tayong 1/2, so distribute lang yun, 7 du. Ito, pwede natin siyang ilabas doon. So, 2 multiplied by 1/2, magiging 1 na lang. So, pwede na lang siya na integral of u squared du plus si 7, multiply natin doon, 7/2 integral of du. Then, i-integrate na natin. So, this will be equal to u cubed over 3 plus 7 over 2 u, then don't forget plus c. For your last step, ibabalik natin lahat ng value ng u, which is square root of 4x minus 3. So, this will be, so ito, pwede naman natin siyang gawin na 4x minus 3 raised to 1/2. Kasi para ma-multiply natin dun sa cube mamaya. So, this will be quantity 4x minus 3 raised to 1/2. Yun yung value ng yun natin. Quantity 3. Ito yun. Over 3. Plus 7 over 2. Then, yung value ng yun natin na 4x minus 3 raised to 1/2 plus c. Simplify natin yon. So, this will be equal to quantity 4x minus 3 raised to 3/2 kasi na-multiply ang exponent over 3 plus 7/2 times 4x minus 3 raised to 1/2 plus c. So, again, pwede naman na ma-accept na tong sagot na to. So, for this case, pwede na to. If you want to simplify, pwede nyo sundin yung ginawa natin dun sa example number 1. But, this is accepted, so okay na tayo dito. So, this will be the part 1 of your lesson about, or your topic about algebraic substitution. For your part 2, I will give more examples para mas maintindihan pa ninyo. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.